Hello students, my name is Akash Raghav and today we are starting our class 11th Commerce Economics, okay, and today's concept is budget line, okay. So we'll study about budget, all the related concepts of budget. So let's start. First of all, here is we have consumer's budget, okay. So who is the consumer? The person who consumes goods and utilize services is known as a consumer, okay. And each and every consumer, his or her, have its budget, okay. So budget is very important in our everyday economic life, okay. Budget defines that what sort of goods we use and what sort of goods we do not use, okay. So it is a divide, okay. It is a, you could say it is somehow a line that regulates what goods we are to use and what goods we are not to use. Maybe it is rich, maybe it is essential goods. So let's start. For understanding the concept, let us assume that consumer has a budget of rupees 60, okay. So consumer has a budget of rupees 60, okay. We have taken hypothetical example, okay, to be spent on good one and good two. So this budget of rupees 60 has to be spent on good one and good two, okay. Two goods are there is good one and good two. Price of good one is rupees 2 per unit, okay. For it means that if you want to get good one quantity, you need to spend rupees 2, okay. And price of good 2 is, and the price of good 2 is rupees 1 per unit, okay. If you want to purchase any commodity of good 2, you need to part with rupees 1. So let's start. So on the basis of these three assumptions are: budget is rupees 60, price of good 2 is rupees 2, okay, sorry, price of good 1 is rupees 2, and price of good 2 is rupees 1. So let us make a schedule. So first is we have unit of good one, okay. So these are the units: 0, 10, 20, 30, okay. And this is the price, because you know that price of good one is rupees 2. So I have multiplied all these values, okay. So we have budget of rupees 60. 2 into 0 is, that is 0. It means that all the money we have spent on good 2, okay. It means that all the money we have spent on good 2, okay. Next is, now we have purchased 10 units of a good one and the price is 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. And if we deduct 60 minus 20, okay, if we deduct 60 minus 20, so what we'll get? We'll get 40. Next is, again we are using 20 units. So again multiplying by 2. So 20 into 2, 40. Again if we deduct 40 from 60, so what we'll get? We'll get 20 units, okay, as the quantity purchase of good 2. And again here we have spent all the units, okay, all the money on good 1. So here is 30 into 2 is 60 and all the money has been spent on good 1 only. So good 2 is 0, okay. So this is how we have divided our budget in two goods, because in economics you also know that if we want to purchase more of one commodity, we have to sacrifice the other commodity. So here this concept also work here, okay. So again I'll make some more conclusions to you. Here we have budget of rupees 60. Again, maximum quantity of good one that could be purchased, okay. So what we'll do is, 60 is our budget and we'll divide it by 2, as the price is rupees 2. So the maximum quantity that we could get is 30 units. How much we'll get? We'll get 30 units here, okay. Next, again maximum quantity of good 2. Next, again the price is rupees 1, so we'll get 60 units of it, because as the price is only rupees 1 in this case and the price is rupees 2 in this case. So maximum quantity is 30 here and maximum quantity is 60 units here. So let us make our budget line again. So if we go by good one, the maximum quantity that we could get is 30 units. So 10, 20, 30, I have marked that point, okay. Next is, we have, in case of good 2, maximum quantity is 60. So again I'll mark 60, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So I'll join all these, both these extreme points, okay. By joining these points, I'll get the budget line, okay. This is my budget line, okay. Budget line or price line. So you could also you could analyze in your case as well. When you go to any shopkeeper, okay, you are constrained, okay, you are restricted by your budget, okay. The budget is the very important thing, and for budget two things are most important. First is your, you could say, how much you are earning, and the second thing is prices of goods and services. Okay, so this concept we'll discuss in our later classes. There is a lot of related concepts which are related with consumers budget. Okay, so let's work out the equation. This is the equation for budget line. P1 x1 adding P2 x2. Okay, because we have only taken two goods, good 1 and good 2. So here we are only taking price of 1, quantity of 1, price of 2, quantity of 2 is equals to y. Y is equals to expenditure, because when you multiply quantity, okay, when you multiply quantity with price, so what you will get is your expenditure. Just relate it with yourself. When you go to any shopkeeper, what you inquire is what is the price and how much quantity you want to purchase, and it is equals to your expenditure. So let's start. Y is equals to total expenditure here. P1 is price of good 1, x1 is quantity of good 1, P2 is price of good 2. Okay, that is very clear. And x2 is quantity of good 2. Okay, so these are the all related concepts and the equation for budget line. Okay, equation of budget line is very important, and it is also asked in, you could say, your 1 marker questions. So this is all for today. Please make notes out of it. Thank you.